Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Bitcoin's options market just experienced a record-breaking spike in open interest, with some traders targeting $116,000 and beyond. That's right, folks. We're talking about a whole new level of hype and anticipation for the king of cryptocurrencies. Now, let's dive into what's behind the surge in options trading. The Bitcoin options market has been on fire lately, and it's not just FUD-fueled fear that's driving this growth. In fact, a closer look at the data reveals a complex interplay of factors that's making traders increasingly optimistic about Bitcoin's future. Take, for instance, the rise in vix-like volatility metrics. Essentially, how much uncertainty is there in the market? Historically, when Bitcoin's price started to trend upward like this, these volatility measures have been known to spike, signaling a potential top. But here's the thing. In this case, we're not seeing a traditional top-out phenomenon. Instead, it seems that traders are using options as a way to hedge their bets against potential downturns. Bitcoin Bulletin has been tracking this market closely, and our analysis suggests that this isn't just some speculative bubble. There are genuine concerns among market participants about the regulatory environment and the overall economic landscape. And when people get worried about Bitcoin's fate, they tend to buy up options, which, in turn, drives the price even higher. Now, I know what you're thinking, but is this really a sign of bullish sentiment or just a case of traders playing it safe? The answer lies in the way these open interest spikes are interacting with previous market movements. When we look at Bitcoin's price action over the past few months, there's clear evidence that this recent surge in options trading is building on a foundation of genuine momentum. In other words, if you think back to our analysis from last week, where we highlighted the growing importance of the $116,000 level for Bitcoin bulls, it seems that traders are now actively trying to push prices even higher. And as we can see from these latest open interest numbers, they're doing just that. So what does this mean for Bitcoin's future? Well, our take is that while there are genuine concerns among market participants, the overall sentiment remains bullish. The question on everyone's mind now is, how far will prices go before they finally top out? Only time will tell, but one thing's for certain, at least for now, the options market says Bitcoin bulls are in it to win it. That's all for today's episode of the Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you on the flip side.